Hey guys, Gadget Droid here. When most people think of Roku, streaming immediately comes to mind. Their lineup of affordable and intuitive streaming sticks and TVs has dominated the budget-friendly market for years. But Roku isn't just about delivering content anymore, they're steadily expanding into audio products built specifically for their TVs and soundbars. Today, we're diving into the Roku Wireless Speakers, a sleek, black, 2-count set designed to bring immersive surround sound to your Roku ecosystem. And if you're already using Roku devices, these could easily be one of the most noticeable upgrades you make. Starting with design, these speakers are understated and minimalist. A matte black finish, compact size, and clean lines allow them to blend seamlessly into any living room setup. Measuring roughly 4.9 by 4.9 by 7.7 inches and weighing about 4 pounds each, they're versatile enough for tabletop placement, freestanding setups, or even wall mounting. Roku didn't aim for flashy aesthetics. They focused on creating speakers that integrate smoothly into a broader Roku audio system rather than standalone statement pieces. Compatibility is key here. These aren't your typical universal Bluetooth speakers. They're purpose-built for Roku TVs, Roku Streambars, or the Roku Streambar Pro. They won't pair with random TVs or AV receivers, so if you're not already in the Roku ecosystem, these may not be for you. But if you are, the synergy is impressive, with seamless audio/video sync and cinematic sound designed specifically for Roku devices. Sound-wise, these compact speakers punch well above their weight. Dynamic drivers and 3.5-inch woofers deliver frequencies down to 50 Hz, giving full, clear sound with surprisingly rich bass. Dialogue is crisp, highs are clean, and the bass is controlled yet satisfying. Watching movies, sports, or action-packed shows feels immersive, with audio that moves with the scene, placing you right in the middle of the action. Ambient effects like rain or cityscapes feel lifelike, elevating the entire viewing experience. Roku added smart audio features that truly enhance usability. Speech clarity emphasizes dialogue without raising the overall volume. Volume leveling keeps commercials from blasting you unexpectedly, and night mode lets you enjoy content quietly without disturbing others. For music, these speakers perform admirably. Streaming through Roku's music channels or connecting via Bluetooth delivers lively, detailed sound with balanced mids, crisp highs, and distortion-free volume. While they aren't a replacement for a high-end stereo, they're excellent for casual listening, podcasts, or background music. Setup is painless. Plug in, pair with your Roku TV or Streambar, and you're ready. Wireless connectivity eliminates messy cables, and automatic software updates ensure your speakers stay current with the latest features. You can also